morning, Jolene.
I got a couple, I think.
So I found where all my eggs have been going. Had to come around on the other side of the fence. They're right here. I guess that's an unintended consequence of putting them all in the same tractor. And I should have put that other nest in there sooner. That's my fault. But I'm gonna have to retrain them all now to lay in the nest. So that'll probably be a process, but we'll get it figured out. I'm just glad they're still laying. They just were laying in the wrong place. Now it's on. What are you working on this morning, Dad?
We're putting the door in. Trying to. Put a water heater in. I've got to get one more little doodad for this electrical to make it safe and legal. We put a vent in for the dryer.
Yeah.
Clothes dryer. Caulked and painted all this baseboard.
Looking good.
So,
What are you working on, Mom?
I'm painting this baseboard where the fridge goes. Painted the bathroom door.
we finished the pantry.
Pantry.
And put a light and a switch in it.
Good.
Still got to put a door on.
We just are not going to have time to do anything with the pears this year, so we just decided to, if anybody wanted them, they could come and get them, and she was nice enough to share what she made with them, so that's nice. Beth, can you cut me one more just like that one that you just cut?
Yep.
We'll be about ready to move, so.
Yeah. So,
I was going to say, maybe, I'd really like to have it done before y'all get back, get the floors done, but.
no. That side over there, culvert is. And down at the bottom, you could throw a cat through it.
The whole house is crooked.
Looking around, see if I see any spots. Yeah?
Here.
Alrighty. Cool deal.
Yeah, you're left.
think I can quit digging and just start leveling now. Reconfigure this outfit.
What do you need to redo that?
Huh?
What do you need to adjust those? What, do you need a wrench or something?
No, I probably can just do it with a hand or a rod. Hammer's what I usually use. I stopped right on that rock.